Forex Market Review for February 15th. Greetings. Today is the President's Day in the United States, and therefore their stock market will not work today, and the price movement on currency pairs will differ from other trading days. What is happening now in the foreign exchange markets, you can find out today. Currency pair EUR/USD. The eurodollar is the most popular asset for every Forex trader. In previous reviews, we outlined a reversal of the trend, which I confirmed that my colleague in the review of the European market. Now the price is moving to the green line, which I marked the local maximum. This is what I myself personally expect for this asset. We see that the price has stopped a little, but this is a normal situation, because someone exits earlier, and someone, on the contrary, enters this position. So, for example, the recent pin bar that we see on the chart provides an opportunity for a new trade, if you did not enter on a rebound from the trend channel line. Also, it would be quite reasonable to drag the stop loss just below this pin bar, but only if there is a point in your trading system that you are trailing stop. Personally, for the most part, I prefer to wait for what I have planned. The eurodollar will continue to move towards its target. Thanks to the generous US government, which is willing to spend trillions of dollars to support the economy. Currency pair GBP/JPY. As for the pound/yen currency pair, it goes up, practically without pullbacks. In such situations, it is quite irrational to enter with the trend on the daily charts, but the best option here appears to be day traders who speculate on the asset within a day. They can go down to 5-minute charts or charts up to an hour and look for small pullbacks from the main movement there. An illustrative example. But of course, do not forget that the lower the time frame, the more risky this trade. Therefore, such a chance can only be taken by an experienced speculator who clearly understands what he is doing and understands all the risks. If you have little experience with Forex trading, then I would not recommend going below an hour.